Hello, good morning. My name is Juan Jose Vázquez Lopez, and today I going to tell about that problem that is in my community. That through this project and see to provide a solution. Final English project. Topic. In my neighborhood, there is a serious problem which negatively affects my community. A great problem of water stagnation which generates bad odors. In addition, they paint the perfect place for mosquitoes to reproduce, giving rise to the spread diseases such as dengue. This is because the channel responsible for draining Thames wastewater suffers from sedimentation and growth of plant material preventing the water from draining properly. Is condition of the canal. Project development. The development of the project will be carrying out strong weekly cleaning process around the canal, in which will be calling out be 20 people hired by the mayor, who will be given their pay for science work remove plant material and clean the canal to prevent the proliferation of the mosquitoes. People clean the canal, remove the vegetal matter. People benefit in the project. In this project, many people will be benefit. Among these will be first or are the inhabitants of the 123 neighborhood, who are the ones who suffer from side problems. The second the benefit are the people they will here to do the job. Thanks with this they will have an extra income and convive in the job and the inhabitants. How much will the project cost? For the project, 20 employers will have to the here since the extension of the channel is extensive. Is each employee will be a hundred mil, hundred code welcome. That gives us a value of 8 million codes monthly. Partners to realize the project. The project will have the support of the mayors of the CBS and non-governmental organizations. Its editions of the Community Action Board of the 123 neighborhood. Objectives. General objectives. Improve the quality of life of the inhabitants of the 123 neighborhood. Specific objectives. Perform proper maintenance to the canal in charges of drying the water. Become aware of the proper maintenance of the have in the channel responsible for the evaluation of water from neighborhood. Conclusion. It can be concluded that in order the money was sanitary management in the neighborhood, you must have control in the plant material that grows in the brain system. This is achieved with the help of the organization in charge of many test channels in collaboration with the mayor's office from the city. Thanks.